You're listening to Dili Ni Advice, a Bisaya podcast hosted by two millennials from Davao City. Ako si Kringkay.
Ako si Darling. Listen and chill with us twice a week as we talk about modern society and pop culture.
Welcome to another episode of Sugilanon, Ordinary People, Extraordinary Stories.
Yay!
Ang atong istoryahan karon kay
Mga sugilanon sa mga tao. Daghan.
mga sugilanon may tungod sa ilahang creepy date stories.
Atong basahon ilang mga stories, may tungod sa ilang mga creepy dates. Ako lang gi-paraphrase ang ging.
Gikan sa R Cebu. Naalagi ta sa R Cebu Perminting.
Mas sharer sila dito.
Share sila dito, no?
Oh.
Walay share sa R Davao. Pag share mo, kung dili, no? Ay, tama lagi. Magbuhat lagi ko group sa Facebook, Dili Ni Advice group. Dito na tanin nyo, ha?
Ma-pressure sila kay, ay, tama, naman di anonymous post, no?
Na may anonymous.
Ganino.
Mo gani group. Kay na ay anonymous.
Gani, no. Hawd ka.
Oh, di ba? Makaingon ka. O, sige. What is your creepy date story? Daw, B? Gipost ni Present Brilliant. Matched with a girl on a dating app. After we hung out the night prior, I got a food delivery saying, for your hangover. Mind you, I did not get drunk and no way I gave my address away. Sent me a pic of the outside of my apartment saying, I'm here if you need me. Then one time my friends from a different city went out with them, received another text. You look good in your white polo shirt. What?
WTF.
Got the fuck out from that apartment and moved. Never looked back. Kala ko at first it's flattering. Never knew how creepy that shit is. End story.
Murag, kuha ni siya ng Wattpad.
Murag katong you.
Murag you.
Murag you.
Oh, Murag you. I've never watched it, actually. But I do know the context of that series.
Wala na ko nagtanaw sa season 3 and beyond. Kapoy.
Yeah.
Anyway, ka-creepy ba ana?
Kung tinuod galing.
Tinuod lagi na tanan lagi.
Oh, tinuod na tanan.
Tinuod na tanan. Halo kalaay na uy. Dili man na sweet. Kuan na ba sa tungod na kay Joe Goldberg sa you?
Na-inspire.
Na-inspire.
Mao ba?
Dili na tama nang ingon ana nga ma-inspire ka.
Uy, pero pag ayaw mo paging ani. Kaya
Dili
dili
man
gyud
na.
ni maayo. Dili ni
Dili.
maayo na yung ana.
Dili
Kung
na.
makawala og peace of mind sa tao na imong ginasundan, ayaw mo paging ana. Ikaw stalker, ayaw paging ana. Kani interested ko, basahon ako niya.
Sige daw.
Okay, from Pisti Yawa 1.
Lain na po username.
It was back in high school. I was accompanying my older cousin a town away, who was getting ready to meet this girl for the first time. He had an online texting relationship with after being retoed. We prepared chocolates. He got flowers, and I was holding the banner that said, Happy Monthsary, Princess.
High school pa gid sila, no?
They met, couldn't really talk well since both of them were introverts, and I was making all the jokes while we walked her home. They hugged, said goodbye. Then my cousin became so flustered because it was his first relationship ever, and it was all we ever talked about on the way home. That same night, I received a text from an unknown number that greeted me. Good night, Jason. Let's call him Jason. Kay Jay mangulo na kabatang Dre. Good night, Jason, with a smiley face. I asked who it was, and she revealed herself to be my cousin's LDR girlfriend. She forced my cousin, her boyfriend, to give her my name and my number. I asked why, and she straight out went, I love you. Guwapo kay ka. Ganahan ko ni mo kay. Taas ka.
Mo ba?
I told her no, as she was supposed to be my cousin's girlfriend, and she's like, di ko ganahan niya kay putut.
Kalay na oy.
And she kept asking to meet me again without telling my cousin, and would say she wants to crash in my place or I could crash at hers. Yes, we were still in high school, so it's pretty understandable na we're all emotionally immature, but I knew it was downright wrong. My cousin kind of resented me for a long time when I revealed it to him. I could feel his confidence crash and would no longer invite me to meet girls he would care about in the future, even if we were best friends. We agreed not to talk to her anymore. but she really bothered me a lot. Made dummy accounts and even went out of her way to contact my dad to send her regards. She'd even bother me inside my future relationships. I had to creep her out just to make her stop.
Ay, kuya, ano, uy. Lahi po na klaseng infatuation ng bayhana na obsessed na siya.
Mura siya na obsessed, no? Puro lagi mga obsession ng mga ilang gipang. Sa bagay, kaya ang pangutan mo gud kay, what's your creepy date story? So, tama, creepy man to.
Mao gani no.
Creepy man to. Tama man si Pistiyawa, wan.
Mao gani no.
Mm.
Hala ko, luoy sa iyang igagaw. Uy, na-resent siya.
Sorry guys, nakatawa ko pag ingog putot.
Gani.
Nakatawa ko. Pero, ayoko i-cancel.
Saan makancel man ka?
Kaya, basing man sila, discrimination. Discriminating kayo si Darling, ginikatawag putot. Ayoko, gipakaslan ako.
Ngano, ikaw, ngano?
Gipakaslan ako.
Oo.
O, diba?
Oo. So she can make fun of puto people because
yes,
she's married to one.
Yes, correct.
Hala, that was not my words.
Yes.
Naminaw siya. That was not my words.
Don't worry, my husband is not insecure. He can joke about it himself. Ay, katugong ngingon ni kami. Pag mag-exercise, do ka mutang ka, do ka. Diba niya na one of our sisters told us na kapag mag-exercise do ka mutang ka, do ka. Kaya napansin doon niya, kay kuwan man to siya fit. Buff man to akong sister. Nag-ano siya. Nag-action siya. Okay, napansin ako, nitangkad ko te.
Oh.
Nitangkad do siya, nitaas do siya. Kay ang iyang crop top, ni samot do ka crop top.
Shout out!
Puto niya na si akong husband siya. Ay, di ay ba?
Dili niya kinahanglan mag-exercise para motangkad kay okay raman siya sa height.
Oh, okay ra siya.
Oh.
Okay ra siya. Well, that was it. Uy, pero creepy ni. Sa bagay, kung usa pa kay kasagaran kay stalker na. Oh, usa pa lain nga creepy diha. Sige daw.
Ana siya, si Ugly Baker. Ala kaluoy po nimo eh. I met a guy on Tinder. Nya wala ko nihatag niya og socials or something pero nahibong ko ngano nasakpan niya ako Instagram. Nya I gave him a chance makigmeet pero SFW ra. Creepy as hell kayo kay touchin niya. Ana siya mingawon daw siya nako. Nya first time pa namo kita.
Yes, this is creepy, but I think this is a normal story that every girl on Tinder will tell you.
Ay, common siya.
Not normal, but common story ni siya kay ngano. I think, and I haven't experienced it myself, but I think men would say anything just to get you to sleep with them.
Oh.
They would do anything and say anything. And
Gitest
sometimes
niya imong boundaries, girl. By the touching.
Gitest niya ako magpakuyog ba ni? Pwede ba na ko ni-invite dito sa ana ba?
Oh. Would I be able to hit that? No.
Actually, common imong story, girls. It's creepy. Yes, I definitely understand where you're coming from, but this is a common story.
Unfortunately, a common story. Girls do not enjoy it. I would imagine wa man ko ni agi ana. Pero I would imagine nga kapoy siya ba? Nga ingon ani ang mga
walay respeto ba? Usually.
Murag ba ang ginahuna-huna sa mga babae ba?
But to be fair, kung lalaki ang point of view, we met on Tinder, girl. What do you expect for me to find here? Love? Charot! Huy, ngano man ingana imo ang mindset kay? Pag-inguna na. Ingana ang mindset niya sa guy.
Ngano ang imuhang mindset, ibutang nimo sa akong mindset. Ngano yung project man nimo. Ang ako ang mindset kay mangita og good relationship niya ang
di mo raman gud siya fast food ng Tinder. You're like swiping left and right on who you wanna meet or connect or match with, di ba ana? So it's very fast-paced matching. So
mo gani na ang nakagwapo ana.
It's not natural for me ha. It's not a natural thing for you to do that na kanang mag-meet og people swiping left and right.
Okay.
But
cellphone naman.
Maway na po mo. Si Darling ba discriminating kayo okay? Di ba na ko na ila kung bana. Good for you. You are the exception.
Cellphone naman good ron. Introvert naman
Naa
mga
pa
tao
may way
ron.
para mag-meet mo naturally in person, doing activities, get to know each other as friends first. Na may mga anak gyapon na way hantod karon. You can
Nga
do
pa,
that.
good. Gusto man sila o fast food.
Ama ba?
Ah.
Let's hear it from Elias Juancho. Okay. This is his story, and I quote, "This was last year. I met a cute little girl on Facebook, and we chatted a bit before dating. One thing to point out during our planning is that she kept insisting that I pay for her entire family's dinner after church. We both opted for a church date. Oh, this is a nice person, you know. So we went to church after I picked her up at her place. Her fam rode a different motorcycle and she was riding with me. Girl was clingy and sweet all the time. We held hands a lot, even at church. After the mass, we went to this barbecue place in front of the church and she was still quite sweet and clingy at the time. But after I didn't pay for the entire bill and just paid hers and mine, everything changed. She went cold. On the way home, she was completely silent and we were sitting at their porch. She never talked much again and would push me off. She ghosted me the day after. El Mao.
Mao ba? It's not so creepy. It's entitlement.
But to be fair kay girl, wala pa sila nag-date. Sige na siya insist. Nga, dapat bayaran ni mo tanan.
Hmm.
And I don't know how you agreed to go on the date without you agreeing na to pay for
Ay,
everything.
kay ning date gihapon sila. Nag-expect na si girl nga, ay, nag-date me, so nisugot siguro ni siya.
Maugan ito, be fair kay girl. Wa pa mo nag-date. Nagstorya na siya. Dili siya cryptic. Gisulti yun niya yung gusto sa imo. Ang gusto nako, bayaran ni mo tanan.
Oh.
Unya nagig-date man ka, sato pa, ambot lang ko ni agree ka o wala. Probably wala kay karon lahi man ang imong story nga nganong wala nimo gibayaran ng tanan. Pero she was assuming that you would pay for everything. That's why she went cold on you and she ghosted you. But good for both of you. You should not be together.
Oh. You don't agree.
Yes. Oh, naay nag-share sa imong comment.
Unsa man?
Ana si Ellie, why is it creepy?
Oh,
Maybe
not
it's a
creepy.
cultural or religious thing for men to pay and it was expected of you. I don't know. Not being mean, just genuinely curious. Maybe a bit pushy and out of place, but then again, so is someone going for a church date with their whole family? Haha, you do you though. Una ang comment ni Ellie na murag nganong creepy. Dili man siya creepy bitaw.
Dili siya creepy na kuan lang siya. Na mali lang siya.
O gi-share niya diri sa what are your what's your creepy date story mo to yang gi-share. So he considered it creepy. I don't consider it creepy. I say
Kuan lang siguro, crazy date story lang siguro na ang iya.
yes.
Oh.
Naa pa isa.
Ana si OM Gorge. Nag-Japan miss akong best friend. Si Jai got Tinder and matched with someone. Sa third to last day namo, nag-meet sila ni Guy. Nya, wala daw tingog-tingog, igura sila nangaw niya, lakaw-lakaw sa park, dayon uli, kaingon si Frenny nga, di siya bet ni Guy. Day after ato, nagyokohama mi pagbalik namo. Jai, natagak ang peephole glass tingi sa door namo, Airbnb, so natingami. And ga-message ko sa owner, nya, niadto siya, nya, naa siya gitawgan maoto, Kebs Rami, murag 2 or 3 days after me nabalik, diri Sugbo ni message ang owner if kaila ba ko sa lalaki with pics from CCTV. Kay gabalik-balik daw dito sa unit niya, nasakpan sa bagong gastay nga gimalmal jud ang door forcing his way in. What a hapit
Ay,
na
crime na
episode sa
ni.
true crime.
Hala, hapit na mo na
docu.
forensic files, Jay. Napay
Hala.
spelling sa Jay na GZ.
Jai.
GZAA.
DZAE.
IA.
Jai,
I said
hapit
ay,
mo
ay.
na. Hapit mo na Joe Goldberg, Dai.
Day, hapit na muna ka ng kwento. Hapit mo na story na lang, yun. May gani na story pa nimo. Kay kung wala, story na mo ron.
Hala, no.
Hala, sige.
Hala, ka-creepy ano.
Uy, si Ellie kay Kwan kayo, no? Engagement kayo siya, no? Engaging.
Ay, si Ellie kay nag-comment po siya di Ari Dapita.
Oo.
On Gorge. Hoy, details, how did he know where you were staying? Makuyawan sad ko kay me and my best friend maura ba jud na among lifestyle o travel ni igat-igat. Ha ha ha. How did he look, act, any telltale signs aside from wasya mitingog?
Dili man, Di mo matel ang tao ay.
Dili, wala.
Walay sign na, wala.
Wala na
Especially
anybody can be a creep.
especially if predators, they have like mask all the time.
Uy, pwede po wala.
They do know how to blend in. That's why
Mo
they're
gani.
hard to catch or something.
Oh, ga blend in na sila. Dili na sila magmas, dili na sila parehas na ni Joe Goldberg na magkalo-kalo. They will hide in plain sight.
What I meant in mask is they have like a mask of normal person. They have a mask of normal person, but when they take off their mask, they're predators.
The metaphorical mask yung mo pasabot di ay.
Yes,
Abi na ako the physical facial mask.
Ay, grabe naman po na. Anyway, kadlok, no?
Hala, pag-ingat yun mo. Hala, nga naman, mag-meet og strangers niya away from your city. I mean,
Okay lang, uy, guys.
mo.
Really ko mag-judge. Kung nag-Tinder mo, nag-date mo strangers, it's
Pero
okay.
yung safety ba?
Do it in your hometown because balwarte na ninyo, and if in case of emergency, you know where to go, what police station, what hospital, what inyong balay especially
Dira mo mag-meet og strangers sa
sa Japan.
strange places na buang.
Gani no.
Wa mo
Nga, wala mo yung
kahadlok.
mga parente dito, way mo tabang ninyo dito. Sama
Ayun pag ana, delikado na. Ang advice na ko sa inyo no? Mag-ingat mo. Mag-igmat. Mag-amping.
Kabalo mo ang sa video, makita niyo si Kringkring nga nag-ana gid ang kamot. O kanagong unsa ni nga tawag nga kamot? Kanang gidayamon niya iyang kamot ba? Mag-igmat. Ana
Mag-igmat o mag-amping kita.
na ba? Sige, go. Last comment. Let's go.
Way back 2016, 2017, matched with this guy on Tinder. He was okay sa chat, somehow na ay humor. After few weeks, he invited me out for coffee, which was okay since SFW lang. Ang pasabot aning SFW is safe for work as opposed to NSFW, not safe for work, which usually implies sexualisms. Since SFW lang and prefer pod nako kay public space in case. When I got there, surprised ko sa ni Dool kay lahi ang naon sa pics yang gisen nako but kay nakapalit nako sa akong kape, stayed to chat. Pagkahurot sa akong kape, niingon ako niya nga muuli nako and he kept on insisting he'll drive me home. Ay delikado na. Ay ikaw, ay ambot lang nimo. And because namakak na siya sa iyang pics, all the more reason for me to doubt niya. Ihatod ko niya so I declined the offer. Nasus na iyang feelings.
Pag-abot pa lang lahi ang naong sa picture, hindi kuha na juga.
Bitaw. After kay wala na ko mo chat sa iya. So I told him nga wala na ko na-appreciate ang iyang pagpamakak. For the next few days, he kept on testing me nga he's outside my office. And that ihatod ko niya uli. One time kay gisundan niya akong gisakyan nga multicab, maayo kay I lost his trail when I got sa terminal. Mao na ever since kay di na gid ko comfortable makigmeet og people I met online. Traumatic. Wala ka no?
Pareha mo comment ni Brutal Grace. Maudi ay?
Adi ay ba? Wala ka no hadlok. Oh, mo na ang kahadlok ba? Nga ka na makamit ka o creep. Kana okay man daw siya sa mga chats.
Pero pag meet lahi day ang naong.
Pero pag meet kayo,
Ayaw kayo ninyo i-filter ang inyong mga naong. Basig siya dyan to niya, filtered lang ba? Para sa ako, nag-filter ba ako? Makaingon sila, gupahan, darling sa Facebook, uy, tanawa sa personal, mas gwapa pag yun. Ay, kunin nyo, na. Di jud pwede.
ako no, akong profile picture, mga 2 years na. Wala lang. Ambot, nga nung na-share ko.
Mo ganin akong ginaingon nga, dili dapat di kay ta maging comfortable na mag-meet og people sa Tinder. It's a way to meet people online. Sometimes people do meet in Facebook. Kana sa mga tulfo-tulfo. Chat-chat kami sa Facebook kasi kasali kami sa group na
Oo.
Mga nga good.
Uy, naapod ba yung Facebook dating?
Napo gani Viber dating. Ano ko pa nakadawat lagi ko og kanang ad nga Viber dating. So dili kabalo ang algorithm na Viber na taken ako.
Dili ka, wala may married. Sa Viber.
Ay, oo.
Sa Facebook ay naa may married.
So, dili sila mo pili. Dapat, kahit married, i-add na to ni sa iya ha. Kaya para makahalin.
Wala may married sa Viber.
Wala sila ngayon.
Wala man sila nangutana o married baka o dili.
Nangutana din Facebook kung married ka, wala man.
Oh.
Oo,
Man na
tama,
gibutang
tama,
man nimo
tama,
in a
tama.
relationship, single, married, nya pag
Tama,
mabuwag
tama.
na mo kay single, ana good.
Tama din, no, tama din. Tama,
Oh.
tama. Oh, you know.
Nako ingon, nako i-share. Makauulaw ni siya i-share nako, makauulaw.
Oh, iulaw.
Nag-away mi sa kumbana kas anya gitanggal nako ang married sa akong Facebook.
Anya.
Mo to ni gawas ang Facebook dating sa akong newsfeed. Join now with hundreds of thousands of people. Nigawas ang Facebook dating sa akong newsfeed.
Ako wala man noon nag-add ng Facebook dating, pero yung Viber ko lang.
Kay married man ka sa Facebook, di ba? Kay ako, married ko sa Facebook, no?
Ah.
Wala na nigawas ang dating.
Mm.
Pagtanggal na ko sa married kay nag-away mi sa kumbana, nigawas ang Facebook dating.
Ayaw tanggala.
Okay, balik na ko.
Ayaw tanggala.
Ibalik na ako married. Kay bati naman mi.
Mag-block lang din mong profile picture. Ayaw lang tanggalang married. I-block lang yung profile picture ni mo. Isa namatay.
Yeah.
Sultihan ta mo ha. There is still a way. There is still a way for you to meet people.
Unsa pinaka the best way?
Naturally.
Unsa pinaka the best way?
Joining communities that you are fond of or you like kung tayo mahilig kag tennis, badminton, there are communities na para sa tuwa diri sa ay buhangin na tayo epicenter badminton. Maagyan mo na nimo kana maagi ka diri dako kayo ang murag warehouse ka dako. Kanang bag-o ka na atbang sa police station.
Mao ba?
Oh. Na yung mga volleyball communities, na yung mga geek communities like
Mga D&D communities.
mga D&D communities.
Swimming communities. Alcoholics community, mo sa mga bar.
Pwede ka
kung na mga
bar mo.
magbarbar mo, maato mo sa
Napoy ka na mga political communities, ka na
Ay,
mga rally-rally, apil mo. Mag-NPA mo.
kung gunahan mo ma-NPA mo duha, o diha mo.
Sa bukid mo mag-date.
Sa bukid niyo yung first date.
Tapos, kanang napoy yung mga church communities. Mahilig mo. Kami sa kumbana, sa music man mi nag-ila-ila because we go to the same music studio. So, music communities. Ano ba? Gaming communities.
Ay, actually, sa skating community may nagkaila sa kumbana.
Ay, nag-skate man kunuhay po na siya.
Niagi kong skating face.
She was a skater girl. She said she was a little girl. Ano ba?
Sa communities. Sa mga mahilig ninyo sa communities.
Kung sa inyong hilig, mag-engage mo dito. Put yourself out there. Don't be afraid. Put yourself out there. Meet people. Get to know them. Be friends with them at first. Ayaw swipe. Judgmental kami. Judgmental.
Lecture lagi ka. Magbut-but lagi ka. Kung sa mga
tao. Lang man na, guys. Kanang kung wala mong ko'y luck aning mag-Tinder. Sige naman, 5 years lang sa Tinder. Wala man ginag-match. Wala man ko'y naangayan. Dari puro man creepy ang mga tao. Well, then, maybe the answer is not Tinder. Maybe the answer is kanang muagi sa adyo mo ka-friends. Bago siguro mo magkatuluyan. Siguro.
Get to know them first.
Ano ba? Ay, tama di eh. Kana si akong friend na si Makmak na siya ka ng artist community. Kanang spray paint.
Graffiti community.
Graffiti. Na yung mga nga nga communities. So, don't lose hope. Whatever your hobby is or whatever you wanna do on the daily, siguro mo community.
Basta naa kay ma-meet sa, gusto jud ba ako mo ato ng library good sa, kanang padulong kong Punsyano ba? Naaday library dira. Kung mahilig kag books, adto sa library.
Sa Davao Library? Atong bag. Pwede. Sa una gani nag-organize ko kuan kaning Game of Thrones watch party.
Pwede po na.
Na watch party mi nakamit pod mig bag-ong people ato. Pero kauban mi sa kumbana, pero it's an example of meeting new people na kanang na ako'y Facebook group, di ba? Na ako ang admin na mga fans sa Game of Thrones. At one point nag-organize ko og watch party. So nag-adto mi dito nga bar, dito mi nananaw sa finale. Alas nibing dako sa buntag. Nag-inom mi dito. Kaya alas nibing man sa buntag gud ang kuan.
Nag-day drinkers mo?
Anong dili? Ngit-ngit man to nga bar.
Okay.
So, comfy gyapon. Unya aircon. So, dili mo ma-feel nga buntag, init. But, that's an example of how you meet people naturally. It's not, it's, kanang, ambot ay, bahala, gud mo. Pag Tinder.
Ay, ani na siya.
Pag Tinder.
Kanang kung desperate good kayo ka no, tapos kanang mangita jud kag pamaagi na makamit og people, mas higher chances to meet creeps kay kanang mas agresibo man ka nga makamit o masking kinsa na lang. So makamit ka og creepy people kay agresibo man pud sila magnet mo joint. Aggressive meeting.
No, it's not like kanang i-meet ni mo, date dayon mo. I said get to know them, be friends with them first. Kay maila man nimo kung friends sa mo.
Ang ako ang ginaingon ba, mao na ang dahilan nga makamit ka og creepy people, kay aggressive kayo ka, mag-date. Dapat hinay lang. Relax lang ba?
Di kay desperate gani no, di ka relax.
Oh, no.
Di ka judgmental ka. Lain kag batasan.
If you're desperate, do not watch rom-coms. Watch Forensic Files. Kay mawala imong ka desperate.
Oo, daghan kayo nangamatay diya, guys.
Ayaw pagtanog rom-coms.
Siyempre no, alang sa Forensic Files gani no, bulo ka eh.
Kalimte. Pagtanaw Forensic Files para makalimtan nimo imong desperation. May I help you?
Desperation, may I help you? Anyway, Visit Academy is when we teach you a Bisaya word or phrase. The word or phrase is merese.
Merese nimo.
Merese nimo, gaba nimo mo na ang pasabot ana. Sa Tagalog, karma. Karma siya pero English mo lang karma, no?
Pero murag kanang merese is like kanang we use it to taunt, I guess, to taunt someone in a joking manner usually. Whoever got a bad karma in their life.
To plaster their karma in their face.
Oh. Usually in a joking manner, okay? It's a joke. Mirisi.
Oh. Sometimes I don't joke about it. Mirisi. Gaba ra niya. Muna nagabaan siya. Mirisi.
Oh. In a sample situation, wala ko nang hatag og pagkaon. Unya na food poisoning ko. Mirisi. Gaba
nimo. Anong wa ka nang hatag?
Oh. Pero usually in a joking manner na siya ha. Kanang we say it among friends. Mirisi nimo. Or mirisi. Ano?
You also say it if you want to talk about your enemy.
Yeah, behind their back. Mirisi niya. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not necessarily unserious business.
Yeah, sometimes it could be used in a serious context.
Behind their backs.
Yes, go.
Kung nalingaw mo, please consider sharing this episode with your friends. Unya, pag-subscribe para ma-notify mo sa mga latest episodes. I-search sa imong paboritong podcast app, Dili Ni Advice.
Basig na amoy mga topic suggestions or questions, please reach out to us. Don't worry, submissions are anonymous. Di mo mailan. To submit your stories, to advertise, or sponsor our show, go to diliniadvice.com. DILINIADVICE.com.
Yeah, mauro to guys. Thank you so much everybody. See you next time.
Bye-bye.